She's the one actress who defied the conventional idea of women headlining commercial Bollywood movies only till a certain age. I mean, the actor debuted in the year 2000. That's 2 decades ago, and we're still gonna see her in the lead in perhaps the biggest film next year. Now, sure, a lot of us will argue that she usually plays second fiddle to her male counterparts in these big budget films, but that's not to say she hasn't carried her fair share of load in several of these films. Hello guys, welcome to Filmantor, and for today's list, we'll be taking a look at these exact movies where Kapoor was handed the ball and she ran with it like none other could have. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to Filmantor if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. With that out of the way, this is Amir, and here are 5 best characters played by Kareena Kapoor Khan. Number 5, Avantika Ahuja in Qurban. An academic living in the US returns to Delhi due to her father's illness, and while in India falls in love with Ehsan, a charismatic young university professor. The couple soon gets married, and Ehsan agrees to emigrate to the US to settle down with his wife. All good, right? Well, not quite. Before long, Avantika starts suspecting that the neighborhood the couple has started to live in is not quite right. She shares her grievances with her husband, only for the truth to come crashing down upon her about her husband himself being a part of a sleeper cell functioning in America who's planning a major terrorist attack there. Qurban takes a sharp left turn from that point forward, as we see the once calm and secure Avantika lose grip on reality with nowhere to go. Coming to the realization of herself being misused for entry in the United States by her husband, and the fact that the deception came from a guy she head over heels fell in love with, Avantika's trajectory goes drastically from a young, happy, devoted wife to a traumatized victim caught in the midst of a deadly terrorist squad, and Kareena put on a clinic, taking us with her through the ride. Whether it be her somehow willing herself to secretly help the authorities, or the extremely distressed look on her face when asking her fatally wounded husband for his real name, Kareena still doesn't get enough credit for excellently pulling off such a pure character in the dark world of Qurban. Number 4, Mahi Arora in Heroine.
फिल्म ऑफर्स तो बहुत है, पर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, और एड्स और मैगजीन से कुछ नहीं होता.
Trapped in an above-average film at best, it won't be too far-fetched to call Mahi Arora Kareena Kapoor's most underrated character today. Just like Madhur Bhandarkar's earlier films, Heroine too touched the subject of the ins that go behind the glamour industry and really tried to put out its darker side that normal public is largely unaware of. Heroine followed the life of Mahi Arora, a big name in the Hindi film industry, and showcased how despite looking pitch perfect all the time, being immensely popular, and being at the prime of her acting career, her mind is overtly consumed by her professional and personal insecurities and desperation to be loved. Mahi would engage in all kinds of professional practices that any one of us might call unethical if we see them without context, but that's what the film stood for. It highlighted how these tactics are generally prevalent in as cutthroat of an industry as Bollywood is. Going into the darkest of places within her, Kareena beautifully justified what's perhaps her most complex character to date. There are many redeeming qualities of Mahi and many reasons to despise her, but maintaining that balance between the two in order to strike that necessary chord among the watchers was done superbly by the talented actress. Number 3, Chameli in Chameli.
कम से कम किसी रंडी की दलाली तो नहीं करता, गलत तो नहीं बेचता, किसी का खून तो नहीं किया ना उसने.
2004's Chameli was perhaps the first time Kapoor was thrown under the bus to carry an entire film on her rookie shoulders alone. And well, she did a pretty damn well job. What's the one thing that Bollywood actresses avoid, or at least used to avoid back in early 2000s? Taking up roles that go against the traditionally pure and sanskari expectations from them, as there's always a risk that that may damper their public image. And that's the same reason why actors like Amisha Patel and Antara Mali refused to play the role of Chameli in this 2004 drama. So who did the role eventually land with? Yep, Kareena Kapoor Khan. The same girl coming off a few commercial family entertainers like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham and Mujhse Dosti Karoge, playing a prostitute in this little known movie. Starring Kapoor and Rahul Bose in the lead, Chameli was a story of a perpetually saddened investment banker who on a fateful night gets stuck in the red light district of the city, coming across a local prostitute in the process, and spending the rest of the night realizing what her day-to-day life is all about. The beauty of Kareena's portrayal of Chameli was really how she vanished in the role, never making us realize it's the same Kareena we saw in abundant other commercial movies where she basically played herself. Chameli was a chain smoker, a street-smart woman who knows everyone's whereabouts, just as you would expect someone in her shoes to know. It put Kareena on the map as a legitimately talented actor, but sadly, the movie itself didn't generate a lot of buzz around its release. Number 2, Dolly Mishra in Omkara.
हम तो अपने मर्जी के गुलाम हैं जी बस.
Omkara did for Kareena what Chameli didn't quite manage to do 2 years earlier. It's perhaps the perfect example of Kapoor's prowess as a scene stealer, even when she gets limited screen time and is surrounded by a plethora of talented actors around her. Pulling out her portrayal of Shakespeare's character Desdemona in the form of Dolly Mishra, Kapoor stayed as true to the source material as possible by sculpting her rendition with the same playful and innocent nature that made the original so likable. Her Dolly Mishra was smitten by Omkara, even to the point of herself coming out and expressing her love for him first, going as far as eloping with the local enforcer, in turn enraging her father and indirectly causing the mayhem that later ensues in this Indianized version of Othello. Putting all your eggs in one basket only for it to come crashing down in the end is a haunting thought to have, and that's exactly what Dolly endures in Omkara. Honestly, the single moment of heartbreak that she goes through in the end alone justifies Dolly's stance as one of Kareena's best performances to date, but that's not to say the rest was passable. In fact, Omkara established Kapoor as an actor to be reckoned with and even won her several awards that year. And number 1, Geet in Jab We Met.
मैं छोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ, हाँ? कोई doubt मत रखना दिल में. सिखड़ी हूँ मैं भटिंडा की.
As if you expected something else. For the number of impressive performances Bebo has surprised us over the years with, her portrayal of Geet Dhillon from Imtiaz Ali's 2007 romantic drama hands down triumphs over all. And why is that exactly? Because it managed to seamlessly blend critical appreciation for the actor, along with catapulting her to genuine box office attraction status both at the same time. With an almost unanimous approval by moviegoers and reviewers alike, Geet not only became one of the most iconic characters of the decade, but also turned Kapoor into a household name for years to follow. Inspiring a generation of young girls behind her, the cheerful Geet taught us how to unapologetically walk to your own beat, how loving yourself is not always bad, and how even the smallest of actions can leave a lasting emotional impact on those in need. I mean, she had the perfect antidote to getting over your ex. Abuse the living hell out of them and flush their photo down the toilet.
कि मौत मरेगा और मरने के बाद हमेशा हमेशा के लिए नरक की आग में जाएगा तेरी माँ की.
See? As simple. Jab We Met was not a traditional Bollywood love story because it didn't center its entire narrative around the guy, with the girl being just an overtly glossy part of the film. And with all said, director Imtiaz Ali, with all the strong female characters he has given us over the years, possibly gave us his most powerful female character in this 2007 romance. And there you have it, guys. 5 best characters played by Kareena Kapoor Khan. Did we miss any of your favorites? Let us know in the comment section down below. Please make sure to subscribe to Filmantor if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. With that out of the way, have a safe week ahead. My name is Amir, and I will see you soon.